bust down this Yamaha Badger. If my baby here let me get to work. She's such a big baby. She always want to be up under me. Blue. Say hi to the camera, Blue. Hi, people. My name is Blue. Like I said, welcome to Mancave Motorsports in the lab. And we're going to get this bike up and running. Right, Blue? This little YFM80 Yamaha Badger 95. It was a little rough. It wasn't running. Carburetor was tore up. The it had no battery. Needed a battery. What else? Starter solenoid, air filter, clean the gas tank out. The regular stuff you do to a bike when it's been sitting for a while and you want to get it back running. New spark plug. And got it to fire right on up, and went to ride it down the driveway to test ride it, and the thing just said clunk and snapped out of gear. So from my research, it seems like the drive shaft in these things tend to snap. So I bought a new one, and I said, let me get to it. And this is what the new one looks like. And this thing usually snaps. So I'll show you how this thing runs. It's a shaft-driven bike, so bear with me. I'll take you guys and show you what I'm talking about. So the shaft sits from this side to back in here. This piece here is where that part I just showed you. I'm praying that that's what snapped. It's nothing else. The rear end seems to be solid. Transmission and motor and compression is good. It's all around a little solid little bike. It's rough. Do a little bit more cosmetic stuff to it, but I've got new brake line, brake pads. But I figured let me get this thing running reliable before I go crazy with the making it pretty. But it does start up, just so you guys think I ain't bullshit BSing you. Just show you. It doesn't move. And that's not sexy at all. So we're gonna get that on and popping, and I'm gonna start taking it apart, and when I get to a good stopping point, I'll bring you guys back and show you what I did thus far, and we're gonna put it back together. We're gonna take my daughter riding. We'll get some footage of that too. All right, moving along, man. So this is the worst case scenario. It wasn't the shaft part like I thought it was. As you can see here, I ended up ordering a used rear end off of a 1998 Yamaha Badger. Look at the gears, nice and crispy, nice and fresh in there. And let's take a look at what came off the bike. Shot. And this is why it jumped out of gear or didn't want to move. It wasn't making any contact. As you can see, the gears are all worn down. So, but after I replace this, should be up and running. Look how nice this is. It's actually good. Came off a good bike. And this, not so good. So let's get it together, slap it up. I'll do it on a time lapse, so it'll be fast. And hopefully get my daughter up and running. it for 2 minutes, alright?
Really?
Yeah. And you call already? You like your bike?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. You should keep it?